Hello again. In this part, you're gonna be learning the names of the months in Egyptian Arabic. There's a good thing that I have to tell you first before we start. Okay, here in Egypt, we usually don't use the names of the months. What I mean is, October, actually it's the 10th month. So we don't say October. We simply say عشرة. Okay, for example, April, it's the 4th month. So we're gonna go like أربعة. Okay, so actually you don't need to memorize the names of the months because simply you can just use the numbers. But in any way, I'm gonna now be teaching you the names of the months, and I'll start with the first month, which is January. We call it يناير. يناير. Okay, then we have February. We call it فبراير. It's almost close to the English. Okay, March. We call it مارس. Then we have April. We call it إبريل. Just very close to the English. إبريل. Okay, then we have May, which is مايو. Then we have June. يوليو. This is actually my favorite month because I was born in June. Then we have July. يوليو. The last one was يونيو. It was by N, and this one by L. يونيو, which is June. يوليو, which is July. Okay. Now let's go to August. أغسطس. Then let's move to September. We call it September. Can I hear it from you? Again, let's say it together, me and you. September. Okay. Then we have October. We call it October. Okay. Then we have November. We call it November. Okay. November. And finally we have December, which is December, just like the English exactly. Okay, December. Okay. Now you have to learn the word month. Month itself, you call it شهر. So you can go like شهر يناير, or you can go like شهر واحد. Right? As we agreed, you can use the number or you can use the name. Then, for example, شهر فبراير, or you can say شهر اتنين, or you can say شهر مارس. Then you can say it as شهر ثلاثة. For example, شهر عشرة, which is شهر أكتوبر. Both are right, شهر عشرة or شهر أكتوبر. You can go like شهر تسعة, or you can say شهر سبتمبر. Both are right. So now you learned the names of the months, and you learn how to say the word month itself, and and a good point was highlighted that you can just use the numbers instead of the names. But now you get both, so you can use whatever you want. Okay, let's go to the next part.